It was raining that day. Most would have stayed home, but I have already lost too many days. I can't afford to waste another. Every drive, every wet catch, every bruise, it's me screaming back at the world that counted me out. You can call this madness, I call it redemption.